Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to put accessories in Roblox Studio. So if you're interested in adding different sort of accessories to your avatar, like chains, any sort of wristband, hats, or different sort of wings to your avatar, then I'll show you how easily you can do it in Roblox Studio. It is super easy and simple to do it. You just have to follow a few steps and you can easily add any sort of accessories to your avatar. So first you have to make sure that you have the Roblox player and a Roblox studio in your PC and they are both logged in with the same account. And after once everything is done, you just have to simply open your Roblox studio. This is the first interface that you will see. Now you can choose any template of your choice. I'm just going to use this one, but it's all up to you. Whatever you like, you can just simply open it up. Once you get to this page, now on the left side, you can see we have this search bar. You have to click onto it and then search for dummy. Dummy is our Roblox avatar, so there are different ones. You can choose any one of your choice. I'm using this one, but it all up to you. You can use anyone. Once you have selected the dummy, now on the bottom you can see we have this bar up there. Make sure you also have it. If not, then you can click onto view and from there you can click onto this option. And after that you will get this command section. So basically putting or selecting any accessories for the avatar is not as simple. What we have to do is that we have to run a command here through which we will get the accessories. So in that command bar we have to run a command that I'll show you, and then you have to add accessory of your choice. So this is the command. You can just simply select it. Also I will add this into the description. From there you can just simply copy and paste. Otherwise you can also check out whatever written is up there. Between these bracket we will add our accessory code that I will show you how you can get it. So what you have to do is that you have to go to your creator hub on browser, click onto this store option, and then you have to search for accessories. Then you can choose any accessory of your choice. You can see here we have a lot of different options, so it's up to you. You can select any one of these, and once you have it, first you have to simply click on get model. Once it says that it has added to the inventory, then on this link you can see this number section. Now you just have to simply select this one. This is the code. Every product has different code, but you will get that this is the code. You have to just simply copy it, and then you have to just simply paste that code in these brackets. Once you have pasted, just simply click the enter. Once you do it, on the right side you will see the model is added there. Now what you have to do is that you have to click onto it, and there you have to search for handle. Sometimes this is disabled, but you don't have to worry. You can just simply try it once or twice. There could be a glitch, that's why this option is disabled. Usually it is enabled. Now under model we also have to make sure that the code we added or the accessory we selected, the name is appearing there. Once you find out it is there, now what you have to do is that either you can select that accessory or you can select that whole model and paste it into your avatar. I have this R15 dummy, but maybe yours name is different. So what you have to do is that you just have to simply paste it. Here you can see I'm trying, but it is not working out. You may face the same issue, but you don't have to worry. You can just simply do it once or twice, like you have to paste within it. And once you paste it, you will notice the accessory will appear on your dummy. So as you can see, I'm about to just simply paste it, and once it get pasted on the dummy, you will see the accessory will come up. So this usually takes less time, but sometimes it takes a bit more time. So you can see the accessory has been added. So you also have to do the same thing with your dummy as well. And once you follow these things, you will see your dummy will have the accessory that you have selected. If you would like to add more than one accessories, then the process will be same. You just have to simply get the code and paste between that code, and after that the accessory will be added. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. Leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.